Good morning, you guys. So, my hair is in the way, but today is day 10. Today is day 10.
Tomorrow is not free. We buy into tomorrow somehow mentally in between the earth. We buy into tomorrow. Tomorrow isn't free. You have to continue to be you and deliver whatever you're delivering so the world can allow you to be here, right? Imagine an angry world. Would you last?
Sleeping on.
Baba. It's not for you. It's not for you, sweet thing. Can you not do? No, no. Stop it. Is my face. So I can see a difference in my face already, you guys. And it's only been 10 days. I do get random bumps. I think it's from my sheets, honestly. So I think I'm about to change them. But my face. And give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. If you guys can see a difference in my face, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys don't see a difference, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also, if you guys are trying these products, let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next skin update video. So next week on Wednesday, I will have a new skincare update video for you guys. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys so much for watching.